AI can reason, but can they execute multi-step workflows? Are you looking to build powerful AI agents without writing complex code? Today we're showing you how TIBCO Flogo enables AI orchestration. While we'll use a healthcare use case for this demo, keep in mind these principles are applicable to any industry, from finance to retail. Agentic orchestration in action. Building AI agents for hospital discharge workflow using TIBCO Flogo. Bridging the gap between AI reasoning and enterprise execution. Today, when a business user needs to answer a complex question, they have to manually stitch together data. They log into a CRM, pull up dashboards, cross-reference an ERP, and check spreadsheets. You might say, what about AI chatbots? The problem is that today's chatbots can only answer questions from their training data. They can't take action. They can't call your APIs or orchestrate multi-step workflows. And when they try to help with enterprise data, they hallucinate because there are no guardrails. This is where AI agents are different. An AI agent doesn't just answer, it reasons, plans, and acts. When you ask a complex question, the agent figures out which systems to query, combines the data, and actually executes the steps using real tools and APIs. Let's look at how this plays out in a real-world scenario. A patient is ready for discharge, but the process is a logistical maze. Staff are forced to jump between siloed systems, EMRs, pharmacy, bed management, and manual emails. In a world where every minute counts, app hopping isn't just a nuisance, it's a systemic failure. It's slow, prone to error, and keeps patients away from critical care. You don't just need a connection, you need a brain for your enterprise. To solve the systemic failure of siloed data, we need more than just a connection. We need autonomous orchestration. This is the blueprint for a smarter, more efficient hospital built entirely on TIBCO Flogo. At the heart of this system is the orchestrator agent, powered by the LLM of your choice. Think of this as the central nervous system. It doesn't just process a natural language prompt, it understands the clinical intent. When a discharge is requested, the orchestrator intelligently navigates the workflow, delegating tasks to 4 specialized sub-agents via agent handoffs. First, the post-discharge coordinator retrieves patient summaries from the EMR and automatically books specialty follow-up appointments. If the summary includes prescriptions, the system seamlessly hands over to the pharmacy fulfillment agent to process medication orders. As the patient vacates the room, the bed turnover agent is triggered to initiate cleaning and update real-time availability. Finally, the send email agent consolidates all these moving parts: appointment times, medication details, and discharge instructions, delivering a unified confirmation directly to the patient's inbox. Look at the right side of the diagram. These are your existing API and database calls, now exposed as MCP tools. By using the Model Context Protocol, Flogo transforms your FHIR databases and pharmacy systems into AI-ready assets without a single line of code or a total system rewrite. Let's see it in action. A hospital operator provides a single, natural language prompt. Complete the full discharge for patient, include follow-up, meds, bed cleanup, and send the email. Under the hood in VSCode, Flogo is turning your standard REST and database connections into AI-compatible tools via MCP. Your existing enterprise investments are now AI-ready without a total rewrite. You can bring in your own LLM like OpenAI, Gemini, Anthropic, Ollama, and our system performs autonomous orchestration. It isn't just following a static map, it's navigating. The orchestrator identifies the intent and delegates tasks to specialized sub-agents for discharge, pharmacy, and bed turnover, gathering all the context it needs to finish the job. The loop is closed instantly. The patient receives their discharge instructions and medication details via email, automatically generated and sent by the system. The operator can then ask about ward capacity. This is the shift from static reports to conversational intelligence, where real-time hospital data is accessible through simple dialogue. Security is the foundation. When asked for sensitive patient details, Flogo's custom guardrails redact PII automatically. The agent isn't just smart, it's compliant by design. From a single prompt to a fully orchestrated, compliant workflow, TIBCO Flogo makes agentic AI an enterprise reality. Modernize your existing workflows with agentic AI and MCP. With TIBCO Flogo's agentic AI orchestration, you can bridge robust business logic with the power of AI reasoning. Start your journey today. Visit the TIBCO platform to ignite your enterprise intelligence. No code, no heavy overhead, just pure autonomous orchestration. Thanks for watching.